guys, so it is Tessa here. In case you have never seen my face, hello and it's nice to meet you. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys the fundamentals to rolling your muscles out, foam rolling. Guys, it is so important to roll out your muscles. It reduces inflammation, it decreases the risk of injuries, it increases flexibility, maintains flexibility, helps relieve soreness. It's just overall very good for your body. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's get into how to foam roll. So the first thing is, it does not matter what type of foam roller you have, just whatever you have access to. I suggest the hardest one possible so it gets into your muscles. And then as you guys can see, you can literally just roll anywhere on your body. There's no particular place you have to. It's just wherever you feel it the most, wherever you feel tension, wherever you feel sore, that is where you want to roll out. And then also though, you have to be so careful when rolling out your back. Your spine has so many little parts that you have to be very careful not to put too much pressure or tweak them when rolling out your spine. So be very careful and pay close attention to your back. And now I'm going to show you guys a couple of my favorite ways to roll out my muscles. So as you can see here, I'm rolling out my calves. So I always stack one leg on top of each other so that I get the deepest into my muscle as possible. Here I'm rolling out my quads, so as you can see, just kind of moving around. The biggest thing when it comes to rolling your muscles out is relaxing into the foam roller so that the foam roller can get as deep as possible. And one thing I always do is whenever I feel a spot that really hurts, I stay there and I keep rolling it out until I feel like it releases so that I really get into the muscle and get results. And then here I'm rolling out my glute. So by stacking the legs the way I have it, it gives the foam roller access to your glute. And this one you'll really feel in your butt, I bet. And then this one is your IT band. I do this one every day and it hurts so bad every single time. Your IT band is a muscle on the outside of your leg that runs down your leg. It's very important to release the tension here because it connects to your knee, it connects to your hip, it can cause back pain. So you really want to make sure this one is loose, that muscle is always rolled out. And then here, just really simple, rolling out the hamstring, so you just kind of rock back and forth. And then again, I just really want to stress to you guys that it does not matter where you roll out, it's just wherever it feels best, and make sure you relax your muscles into the foam roller. And then here, I'm rolling out my inner thigh, so just roll from the inside of your hip to your knee. Okay guys, and that is the end of this video. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all that fun stuff. I love you guys, and I will see you in 2 days.